Listen, here's a trick, here's the thing. When you wear glasses, your eyes get weaker and weaker and weaker. That's why you keep on going for checkups, and they give you glasses that get you, your eyes get weaker with the glasses. You don't want to be wearing glasses. Of course, if you need it, you wear it, but if you can get out of it, you should. And I have a protocol, I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. You gotta get the mucus out of your head region. Mucus in the head region, excess mucus in your head region, which means that acids stick around that affect your eyes, your ears, your nose. Okay, it affects your brain and the pituitary gland, so, and your teeth. You gotta get acids out of your head. Take eye washes. Wash your eyes twice a day. We have a tincture it's called sight. Put in a few drops and wash your eyes. Very important. Try and do eye exercises. There's many on the internet, free. Okay, and clean the head of mucus, but clean the bowels. The head sits on the GI tract. It has to be clean, otherwise you can't drain those acids out. Get those kidneys filtering. It's crucial. You have eye issues, you have kidney issues. Okay, because you're not draining acids out. Acids will stick around, burn tissue, organ, and glands. You have a lymphatic issue. Work on your lymphatic system. I'll be on a 20-day dark grip only diet for that, personally. Okay, this is how you do it. Use circulation tincture to boost blood flow to the head region. Use a neurological tincture to strengthen the brain and the nerves. Very simple. Reach out for me per protocol.